This video has two purposes. On one hand, I am trying to give a kind of explanation regarding this unit. It is a hand torch, of course not say the classical torch, but it is made with LEDs, white LEDs here, and there is a accumulator here. In the Netherlands we call that an accumulator. As far as I know, in the United States, etc., it's called a battery. Anyway, it doesn't matter much. This is, say, the accumulator with which this whole circuit works. It was bought, say, 5 years ago or so, and there is, say, a kind of small solar panel here. The brand is Profile or so. Small solar panel that has, of course, to charge that that battery here. But of course, all these batteries, after, say, approximately 5 years ago or so, they go down. They don't work any longer, swollen up in many cases, especially small lithium-ion batteries, in a kind of plastic bag. You can often see them in a kind of plastic bag. This one is not in a kind of plastic bag, but surely it does not work. Absolutely sure. And I had not expected this kind of rust here. And here is, say, the hand generator. We can, say, turn the handle here. I hope it's visible. Turn that handle, and when everything is healthy, the LEDs start to work. Not now, because nothing is healthy in this small lantern unit. And then, say, the battery is charged. I think it is, by the way, a very good and interesting unit. Even such a small generator works to charge the batteries, and I think for the price that I bought it, say 6 euros or 7 euros or so in the past, it is a beautifully made unit though. And now the battery has to be taken out and replaced. So that's here. At the moment I also work on another circuit here. It is a kind of timer circuit, but the idea is that when one pulse gets into that circuit, the timer will switch on forever up to the moment that there is a restart. So this is under test. That's what I wanted to say. And here that lamp again. Thanks for watching, by the way. I don't want to make it too long. You can buy these batteries via Ali in China, and they are not expensive. Anyway, I will try to replace this battery that was originally in the circuit with another type of battery, small lithium-ion battery. I don't know whether this is a lithium-ion battery. Perhaps I have other ideas in the future, But anyway, the basic idea of this video is that this battery has to be replaced. Thanks for watching.